Yep.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and today we're going to show you how we created this, and y'all can do it too. So today I'm going to show you how to turn this beautiful vine into a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trellis, and at the same time grow food. We're just going to show you how we install this hook into your house, just with the screw and the screw drill and the drill and the screw. I'm sorry. So we just gonna put in the screw, and then we gonna screw it in. We gotta do it slowly. So now we gonna take this screw out slowly, and be careful because this thing is hot when it just came out of the screw. And then now we gonna put this hook in there, and then the next thing we gonna put is, of course, guys, we had to grab the vine before we put the zip ties, because the zip tie will hold the vine into the hook. We've been dreaming to have this kind of trellis, guys. So this plant is really came up volunteer, and when it grow a little bit, we had to put the trellis to start the vine from growing or crawling to our roof, and then that's the time that we put the trellis, like the zip ties and the hooks together to tie them to have trellis. So as the vine grows, we just want to grab them and tie them no more than 2 feet apart. So guys, this is how actually we did it, and so this is the first that we did it, but the last time that we did it, we had to put a foam because we was thinking that the zip ties was cutting through the vine, so we had to use something to protect the vine from getting cut. Usually kukusa is like a little taste of cucumber and squash, but and then this kukusa is like it's the inside is white, and you can see, the inside is white, and then they usually cook this with shrimp or ground beef, or like they use it with like mix it with some fish, but I think it tastes more better with shrimp. So now I'm going to cut the rotten ones before I cut the real fruit that we going to pick today, just to get the bugs away from the rest of the fruits that's growing. So now I'm going to cut the big one, the fruit. So we're going to leave this one to grow up next. You gotta hold on tight. Make sure that you don't cut the vine. Be careful. Here, guys. So we got one, and we're gonna leave the rest to grow for the next harvest time that we're gonna have. It might take another 2 to 4 days to grow up with this like fruits, guys. So it's not gonna be long, because I think like the more you pick it, the more the fruit grows faster. So that's all I want to show y'all, guys. So till next time, grow, grow, grow.